the scarf in. Take it in the middle, go behind your collar, and bring it up to the front. Go and bring the top portion in and then out. It gives you like the tie-like. I also love wearing this on a black dress with belted up. It looks really pretty. Even on jeans, actually. I sometimes put the belt over it and it looks really cute. You take the upside down and take the two edges which are not the colored edges. So you make a triangle like this. Take the triangle, fold it to the end, and back again, and put it under your neck. And you will see, so the colors really pop up like this. To get like a ring, I like this one because it has similar colors, and I thread my scarf through it and bring it up. And I love this look too. I love to do a cowboy knot on this. I mean, it's equestrian, so why not? So fold it in a triangle, go around, and then take the two edges. Once you bring the triangle, the two edges, just knot it up in the front. And that's a cowboy knot. I just think it's such a beautiful scarf that you really want to show the henna design, and sometimes just simple things can work. So it shows just a simple loop, and then one of which is the infinity way, where you would tie it around and tie the edges. Once you make the loop, you tie the two ends together. And then just pull it down. Just draped around the shoulder like that. And it's just such a rich, luxurious scarf. But yeah. A triangle, put the edge of the triangle at the edge of the straight line, fold it. When you have this one here, now look here, so take the top and bring it inside, okay? Put it in under your collar. Okay, and then tuck the whole thing in. And how lovely is that? You can wear this as a shirt. So you could tie this, again, excuse my collar and my collared shirt inside. And then you take the other two edges and tie them in the back. Okay, and this is just like a whole new shirt, pink silk shirt that you have now. If you go and get yourself one of the nice bling ringies, like so, and add the ring up here. Like so, add the ring like this, or you could make a little bow on the side. You can add the ring up here. I'm not going to show it because it takes forever, but it looks very cute. And of course, everybody wants to know how to do the French twist. Again, same thing, the triangle, pull it all the way to the end, and make a thin band like so. Put it around your neck and in the front. Take the top and bring it under and out. And then make a square knot. And I have all these on YouTube and tutorials if you want to see.